What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am super happy that you guys clicked on this video, and I am super happy to be filming this video for you guys. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair review / showing you guys how I installed / first impressions video on this synthetic wig. Yes, I said synthetic wig. If you guys are new to my channel, you probably don't know that I posted a video a couple months back called 10 hairstyles or 10 affordable hairstyles under $30. This wig was $44, but I got it from the beauty supply store, so I'm sure that there's someone that you could get it cheaper actually. So I'm actually gonna link that down below, but let me tell you guys all the information that you need to know about this wig, because I know that y'all want to know, and that's why y'all clicked on this video. Alright, so this wig is from the Janet collection under the Milk collection, and it came in this packaging right here. The name of the wig is called Mora, and I got it in the color 1B. They also have other different colors. They have, I know, blonde, like a honey blonde color. If that's what you're interested in, you could definitely get into that. I'm going to make this video very straight to the point, because I know when I listen to hair reviews and videos like that, I was going to get to the point. So right now I'm just explaining to you guys the details you need to know about the hair, like the price, the color, the name, the collection. The next clip, I'm going to show you guys how I installed it and then the final product. And you guys tell me if you like this wig and if you like videos like this. Now, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, so I know that you guys like this type of content and I can keep spending my money to make content like this, okay? Please, okay. So, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys again in the next clip. But, yes. Bye!
Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the packaging of the wig. The name of the wig is Mora. It came in the color 1B, and it is under the Janet collection Melt brand basically. So as you can see, even from the little photos, it shows you like the pre-parting, the pre-plucked, and you know, just the HD lace. So I took the wig out of the packaging, and the first thing I noticed is that it was inside of this little net thing, which a lot of human wigs actually come like that too. And I was super excited to see that the pre-plucked baby hairs was very accurate. And also, my first impression of this wig was that it literally gave me the vibe of human body wave hair. The curls were super nice and luxurious, and yeah, I thought it looked great. The only thing is that, as you can see, it just has that little bit of frizz to it, but to be honest, for the price, it's understandable, and it's honestly not like a big problem, especially once you put the wig on. It just makes it look a little more natural. So yeah, that was my first impression of the wig. Super bouncy, super luxurious, and I loved it. I was so excited, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just going to run through real quick and show you guys my bowl cap method. So I basically just spray the hairline of my wig cap real quick, then I blow dry it for about 2 minutes. After that, I go in with my scissors and I cut basically a hole where my ears are. Be very careful with this because you don't want to cut yourself, because it's not fun. Also, yes, I know that I look crazy right now, and you guys honestly better drop a like and a comment and a subscribe, because I'm letting you guys see me look this way. But yeah, after that, I go in again the second time with more spray. I spray the hairline once again, and then yeah, this time I just make sure to pay more attention to the ears and where like the side tabs would be, because that's the hardest part to lay for a wig. So yeah, I just go in again, and then after that, once again, I go in with my blow dryer, but this time I do it for 3 minutes just to make sure that everything is dried down. Next, I get my scissors. I know these are not like hair scissors, but whatever. I use whatever scissors I can find, and I cut the hairline basically from the wig cap, and I make sure that I cut it in a nice zigzag motion so that it will look as natural as possible. So yeah, you guys can just see me do that real quick.
Comment down below if y'all think that I would look cute if I shaved my hair off and I dyed it blonde, because that's what it's giving right now, okay? Also, ironically, one of the colors that the wig comes in is Latte blonde, so it was basically made for me. But if you guys were wondering what other colors they have this wig in, actually they have it in 1B, 2 cinnamon, latte blonde, marigold, and sandstone. So if y'all want the colors, check them out. because, you know, I'm about to put it on, but it looks great. Actually, before I put it on, I need to make it look more melted, so I'm gonna put foundation on it. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that. Alright guys, so the wig cap is installed. You know, my wig cap method is pretty basic. I let you guys see how I did it. If you guys want to see other YouTubers do their wig cap, you know, you could always look that up. But mine's pretty basic, you know. It's giving very much bold-headed, very much still cute though. But anyways, we're about to have the big moment. I'm about to put this wig on. I'm so excited because this wig looks great. The curls look so nice. And the lace is giving. The lace is giving, I'm not gonna lie. Especially for the price, it's giving. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch me put it on and then let you guys watch me install it. Okay guys, I obviously have not glued it down yet, but just how it looks really good already. I'm not gonna lie though, it's way shorter than I expected, but you know, it's still gonna look good once I brush up the curls a little bit more, flatten it, get it together, lay the baby hairs possibly. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on this lace now.
Alright, so the method that I use is inspired by one that I seen Aaliyah J do, and I add my little twist to it. So first I cut my lace into like 5 or 6 tabs because I like to work in sections. I find it easier to work that way rather than, you know, gluing the whole lace down at one time. So as you can see, first I sprayed it, and here you can see me actually get glue in my eye, so that was fun.
Ouch, you got in my eye. Ouch, babe, my eye gonna be stuck shut.
Yeah, I quickly got right back to it because, you know, the show must go on. But then after that, I spray it on top, and then I usually would use a comb, but I couldn't find a comb to just press it down. And then, yeah, I just spray on top again, make sure that it's secured, and eventually I just go in with my blow dryer to make sure that it's tacked down basically. And I'm going to show you guys a fresh clip of me doing it without me getting glue in my eye. So once again, I spray under the tab, I spread it out with my finger, I press it down, get a comb or whatever to just pat it down to make sure that it stays. It's better to use something rather than your fingers. Make sure that the hair doesn't get caught in it because that can be very messy. So then I spray on top of the tab, spread it out again. Yeah, just make sure that it's nice and pressed down once again, and then I go in with my blow dryer. So as you can see, I just make sure that the hair does not get caught inside the glue, and make sure that it is secured because we don't want our wig lifting. So then afterwards, I just, like when I'm finished with all the sections, I just go in with the blow dryer for another minute or two. And then for the front part, I cut each individual tab. Make sure that you're cutting in a zigzag motion so that the hairline can look as natural as possible. If necessary and something is still lifting, you can use your comb or whatever to just press down and make sure that it doesn't come up. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch me do that because I feel like this is an important step, but it doesn't need to necessarily be voiced over. So yeah. Okay, so once my lace is cut, I just go back in with the scissors one more time to make sure that it's as cut as possible, that there isn't any extra lace that does not need to be there.
Alright guys, so the wig is glued on my head. As you can see, it is giving scalp. I brushed out the curls literally a tiny bit, not too much. I'm gonna come back to you guys with the final product. I'm gonna do a little bit more tweaks to this, and yeah, I'm gonna come back, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so yes, this is the final product for the wig. This is how it came out. No, I'm not like a hairstylist or anything, but the wig is so melted. The hairline is so perfect. I didn't even put any concealer here. The hairline is nice and plucked. Yeah, it's great quality. The curls are so luxurious and bouncy and beautiful. The only thing is it's a little, like, you see how it has a little frizz to it. I'm sure if I put some like mousse or something, it would probably help it stay in place a little better, but you know, I don't really mind it that bad. I can do an updated video to tell you guys like how long it lasted and like information like that. If you guys want that, comment down below and I'll let you guys know. What else was I gonna say? Yeah, this is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the process and the afterwards of it. My first impression of this wig is on a scale of 1 to 10. Like, you have to think, this is a synthetic wig, and I haven't seen how it's gonna hold up, if it's gonna shed and stuff like that, but it hasn't been shedding or anything yet. So based on that, I would give this wig literally a 9.5. I'd give it a 10, but you know, everything can have room to grow. But yeah, I definitely love it. It's great. If you guys like this wig on me, let me know down below. If you guys want to see more reviews like this, let me know down below. I'm so open to give you guys quick, concise reviews. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe because it really helps. We are on the road to 1K, okay? Yeah, that's about all. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked down below. And bye.